Abby.
Oh. Alright.
Pretty face dish.
Mastermind. Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl dipped in chocolate. And today is Friday, and yes, I'm in clothes because at my school we have a sixth form program which we're going to give back to the community. And I said, why not bring my guy? Why not bring y'all with me? So today you guys will be on the compound with me giving back to the community, because my school have a piece of buzz, and the biggest buzz them have is that they care for the community. So big up yourself, Mrs. Michelle Spencer, big up yourself, Mr. Leslie, big up yourself, Miss Gowie, because those are the three major heads in the committee. So big up every teacher, every student who will come out and give help is we're helping to give back to the community. Big up on yourself. People, please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn your post notification to be notified when I upload. And that's when I go back to school, my link will back. Guys, so seriously, no, say subscribe. Subscribe. So there with you, show them the fit.
That's okay, take your time.
We're now work for the front part, yes, and the side. Yes, girl. I'm gonna watch them on over the ear, eh? Tink chocolate! This is how everything sets up in the auditorium. I'm going to put on this down. So guys, I'm there. I'm going to give out cornmeal. I'm so excited. I'm going to give out cornmeal. When time the place did go fast, me did a class. So now the place go slow and at my time. But yes, some people are coming, but I'm not really showing any people in face, because I don't know if them don't want to show them face and sitting. So, bye.
We got a message from the board chair, our new board chair, Mrs. Smith. Someone played for you. It was sent to your supervisor, Mr. Lennon.
Good morning, Mr. Everton Leslie and your sixth formers and all staff persons who have helped you to make the program I'm looking at possible. I want to congratulate all of you on this initiative, and it looks extremely good, very worthwhile. And I'm glad, sixth formers, that you are engaged, so that you recognize that you too can be involved in ministry and mission to persons who are in need. So as you deliver today, may God bless you and continue to prosper you and enable you to do His will as you serve humanity. God bless you all. Have a great day.
Amen.
On behalf of the Board of Management of Oberlin, I really want to congratulate you and bring you very, very warm greetings.
This is just a small amount of things that is in the care package. This is just a tubes of things. That is chicken. They give away chicken, yes, rice, flour, oats, some tin products. They also give away lotion, deodorant, and all those stuff. So who didn't sign up for it? You guys missed out on a lot. Sugar, everything. Sadly, I cannot play the audio, but we were rocking to some Paris Almond. Yes, girl, good night. So, man, this girl that I rock to because she won't come in at the vlog. Rotted. Guess what the girl said? The girl said she'll drink NSC. Watch a big bottle of water. I can't play the audio, but it was Spice and Shaggy and Sean Paul go down to that play. And girl look one with herself because girl have waistline pan lock. So my favorite dancing will be bad, but my favorite teeth. So guys, look how nice. Me, Tiana and Tiono. Focus, focus. Yes, so we did. We pay for this. But today, guys, you never tell me say today. Yes, I know. Sir, bye. Leave me alone. Guys, and today is also. So guys, today was also Child's Day, and I didn't know, but no such Child's Mom never know such Child's Day today. So we could I get this for $100 cause usually over how much money them usually take from we? $300, $350. But we get it for $100. So people, at time figure we are now, so I go home. And just big up on yourself, like, comment, subscribe, love on the bad. Bye, we're out. Come I go put this at front part. Bye, we're out.
Subscribe! Remember to subscribe, click that bell, and